In this video, we will show the mounting and installation of a Duette Honeycomb PowerView Gen 3 Automation Angle Top Shade. Here are the tools required to conduct the installation: a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, measuring tape, a pencil, power drill, 3 32/2" drill bit, 1/4 inch hex driver, tin snips, scissors, or utility knife. Hold and center the shade up to the window frame. Mark 2 inches in from each end of the headrail for bracket locations. If more than 2 installation brackets came with your order, space additional brackets evenly between the 2 end brackets and mark their location. Set the depth of the shade using the table in the Installation, Operation, and Care Guide. Our shade is 3/4 inch pleat and has an internal rechargeable battery, so we will use 2 1/4 inch of depth for our video. Pre-drill the installation bracket screw locations with the 3 32/2" drill bit and attach the brackets with the installation screws. The front edges of the installation bracket must be level and aligned to each other. Our shade has an internal rechargeable battery, so no spacer blocks are needed. Before mounting the headrail, remove the orange shipping clip. Install the shade. Fit the front channel on top of the headrail onto the front lip of the installation brackets. Push the headrail up and back until it snaps into place. Ensure your brackets are seated correctly. For internal rechargeable battery, before testing the shade, we must deactivate ship mode. Press and release the control button. When the LED turns orange, press it again. When the LED turns white, press once more. When the LED turns blue, ship mode has been deactivated. Use the control button to test the shade to ensure the shade is working correctly. If your shade needs adjusting, you can level the rail. For a standalone angle, the adjustment pocket will be on the bottom rail. For this video, we will be adjusting an extended angle shade. The extended angle uses a hidden middle rail for adjustments. It has adjusters on both sides. Each side is used to adjust the height and level of that side. Each side has 2 adjustment pockets. The front pocket adjusts the bottom rail, and the rear pocket adjusts the middle rail. Insert the easy key so that its hex-shaped portion is about halfway into the pocket. Turn the key clockwise to raise that end of the rail, or counterclockwise to lower it. 1 full turn of the key equals about 1/8 of an inch. Now we'll attach the rail extenders. Rail extenders fill the space created by the window angle at each end of the shade. They are cut to fit by the installer. Align the rail extender with the headrail. Mark on the rail extender where it meets the window frame. Create a rough cut along the marks using the utility knife, scissors, or tin snips. Trim the rail extender to better match the window frame and clean up the end of the extender. A file may be used to fine-tune the adjustments. Remove adhesive liner on the flat end of the rail extender. Apply the rail extender so that the front lip on the flat end fully mates with the headrail end cap. The shade is now ready for use. Follow the steps in the app to add the shade to the home and complete all programming.